Hi friends, welcome to Airdropspot. In today's video, we want to go about how to join the 200 million S airdrop, that is Sonic. I decided to join this airdrop because there is not too much hype surrounding it. I'm not seeing that many people talk about it, so we may end up eating good. I recommend using Rabi Wallet, either the extension or the app. And then before you do anything, you need to get Sonic, that is S, that is the ticker. You need to have it deposited in your wallet. So you can do that if you have an account with MeshChain. You can get your S from there. And once you have that, now visit the airdrop website, which is where I am currently. So if you want to connect your wallet and you do not see Rabi Wallet in any of the options, just choose MetaMask and you get your prompt normally within your Rabi Wallet to connect wallet. Now, note that prior to making this video, I have never farmed Sonic Airdrop before. But once this interface finished loading, you would see that I have 23 points. So how did that happen? That was because a day before I made this video, I casually just deposited $5 worth of S in my Rabi wallet, and it was just sitting there, and that is how I got that 23 Sonic points that you are seeing on my screen right now. So what am I trying to say is that even if you don't want to use your money to do any interaction or anything, you just want to deposit, by simply depositing Sonic or other whitelisted assets in your wallet and not doing anything, you are going to be earning points. So what do you want to do? First thing is to connect your Twitter account and then enter a referral code. I am going to drop both the link and the referral code as well in my comment section. Do well to share your referral code with other people as well, because when they use your code, you get a 10% increase in your earning. So there are two major points for us to earn, that is passive point and activity point. The other one, app point, is for developers. So like I explained earlier, I earned 23 points within 24 hours for just simply having $5 worth of S in my wallet. That is passive point. Activity points, on the other hand, are points that you earn by carrying out various interactions on Sonic. Activities include swapping, bridging, staking, and adding to liquidity pool. Each of these activities also gives you points multiplier. You have up to 16 times boost on your points, depending on the one you are choosing. And some of these activities can be volatile on your asset, but as for me, in this video, I'll be going for like the safest route. And we are going to start that by clicking on swap. You can see USDCE, click on swap, and it takes you to magpiefi.xyz. So the first thing I want to do here is to swap from S, that is Sonic, to USDCE. So I am going to enter the amount of S that I want to swap for USDC. I'll click on swap S to USDC. I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. So now that I have USDC, I am going to go ahead and then swap into another token. I am going to be swapping some of my USDCE into SCUSD. I'll first of all approve the spending of my USDC. I'll confirm the approval. Then I'll click on swap USDC to SCUSD. So now that I have both USDC and SCUSD, I'll go ahead and then visit shadow.so. And on Shadow Exchange, I want to add to their liquidity pool. I want to add those two stables, USDC and SCUSD, to liquidity pool. Like I said, due to the current unstable market conditions, some assets can be very volatile in a period like this. And because of that, that is why I am sticking with stables, okay? So look for this pair, USDCE and SCUSD, and then tap on deposit. So where you see this figure 1.0025, I will keep clicking on that minus button until I have the minimum amount possible, that is 1.001. And then I'll scroll under range type. I am going to choose narrow, 2 ticks. And then in the slot for amount, I am going to click on max because I intend to spend a total of $100 that I want to add to liquidity pool, and I have about $59.4 on my USDC. So once I click on max, the appropriate amount of SCUSD will be added. If you add these two together, it will give you $100, which I intend to add to the liquidity pool. And of course, you can always type your preferred amount instead of clicking on max like me, and then click on deposit. I'm going to set my spending limit on USDCE and then confirm the approval. USDCE is approved, and I will do the same for SCUSD. Whenever you see that there is no limit to the token you are trying to approve, click on the pen icon and then set the maximum spending limit, okay? Because if you do not do that, you can finish this transaction, but that means you are giving the creator of that contract address that you are interacting with access to spend any amount they want from your token balance at any given time. So it is dangerous. Always make sure to properly set your spending limit. So I have approved both SCUSDC and USDCE, and then I am going to now confirm the transaction in my wallet. If you would like to withdraw your tokens at any time, you can do that, but I think I heard that it takes up to 5 days for SCUSD to arrive back into your wallet. So if you intend to withdraw your money before the end of season 1, you need to take that into consideration. So I have successfully added liquidity pool on Shadow Exchange. Also note that your point may not start to reflect immediately or even 24 hours after you have added liquidity. Okay, so this is 24 hours later after I made this video. I came back to the airdrop site and my point is still the same. So this is 3 days later and my points are now reflecting properly. You can see how much I have earned with activity points and how much I have earned by simply having, I still have $5 worth of Sonic in my wallet, sitting in my wallet. So this is how much I have made in like 5 days with the passive points from that Sonic, and then in 3 days with my activity by staking on Shadow. This is what I have earned with that $100 that I deposited. We have come to the end of the tutorial on Sonic Retroactive Airdrop. If you would like to read more about this Sonic Airdrop, I will drop the link to their documentation in the description as well as the comments of this video. If you have any questions, do let me know. Drop a comment in the comment section, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.